Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I do have a channel now, but the purpose of this channel is to just actually record the things that I had done and the places that we've been to anywhere around the Philippines or in Cebu. And for this vlog, I will be showing you the things that we did in Dumaguete. So please watch the entire video and enjoy. We're going to Dumaguete! Tag 200 ya guys ang pliti sa Cebu nga to Duduan Port. Pista rin simula guys mundakan kay Gretchen. From Cebu nga, you need to ride a bus and it will take you 3 hours long to reach the Liloan Port in Santander. Buzzer beater! Sakto gyud nga ako na lang ang gipaabot para mularga na ang fast craft pero chill kay kung gawaklay wa jud maikog. Was a little bit worried kay Negros is raining and I didn't bring any umbrella so nag-expect yun ko nga mabasa gid tingali ko sa uwan aning kalakiha. Laag pa, sige. It's actually raining. When I arrive, it's raining here in Cebuan. Nari kog Cebulan ni Donggo guys and nisakay kog multicab. Going to my friends. They are in Robinsons actually. Nya train tara day plite guys, adjud magpailad sa uban. And I am here in Negros Oriental legit. So this is the Robinsons Mall. I think there are only 2 floors. So nilaag sad kog Adidas nga shop. Oy basin oroy na ko mapalit. Ang ending sila ra di ay fangirling mode on.
Share mo lang kita sa Facebook.
Okay. They are going to check out and we are going to check in to the new place that we're going to stay. I thought this is Mount Canlaon pero didi ay makaulo. Ngari mo mamalit mo. Bebe Ryan.
Bye. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Mukalat na sa online market sa Cebu.
This is a place restaurant and this is also our room for the whole stay in a forest camp.
Toasted bread or kan?
We are checking the place first para makibaw mi asa mi dapita mag langoy-langoy. There are so many pools, I cannot count how many, basta kadaghan. Another spacious place for karate, I guess. Fall in line mga person.
Kanang mga iyaan, gagabantay sila anak. Ay, mga anak. Inahan nga nagbantay sila anak.
Wala, kalina sa mga bata. Kalinaw niyo ba? Hindi lang pirit.
Ladies and gentlemen, the candidate for... Dito ka. Yung logic ko on may sayaw. Sayaw. Wala! Saan? Balot. Balaas. Balaas. Magibang kuwan. Pandan. Sayaw. Karon ang mga kandidata nagsuroy-suroy na. Mo na ang mga kandidata. Suroy-suroy na sila. Karon gitak-an na ang Lola na ako kuan. Wala gani karon kayo. Kedap kay baba. Ano ba yung reaction? Wala ko. Ito maganda. Ay, kahapi, tataon maglalis. Like,
Karon atong mga iyaan.
Okay ra ka ba?
Hirang ko.
wow! Grand entrance! Sumusulod na mi ani diri. Artista. Artista. Pwede ka ba magamit?
Sabi na gisapyan. Yung kaya ako sa mga pare. Naklase ko, direktar ako ko naklase. Sapian din tulo. Di siguro na sabi. Tawa ko doon. Kaya kami nga passion ako. Normal naman.
Diba na yan? Ito na, gasmit ka po.
Ingat ako. Ako pa na yung imo na lang ibumiran.
Ako yung ganis ko. Last time.
First stop is Chada, Valencia, and then this Cat-aal World War II Museum. I'm really amazed with the lanzones that they have. There are so many, and they're actually growing. And this Japanese museum also, where there are so many things. Actually, I do not know. I am just taking a look of the things. I think, yeah, it says World War II. They also got guns and many more. Some pictures before. This time we're heading to Tierra Alta, and I think Tierra Alta is one of the biggest subdivisions. And they also have glass walk. This is not quite big, but it's quite scary because it's very, very tall, and overlooking are the mountains. And actually you can see the Smoky Mountains also. Cebu, Siliman, and Bohol, and Sikihor. And now we're heading out because we're going to the Smoky Mountains. This is one of the famous places tourists go in Dumaguete. We only stayed for a while because the smoke doesn't smell nice. So we just took some pictures, even some videos for this very nice spot. Welcome to Pulangbato Falls, where you have to pay 100 pesos for the entrance and you can go do a lot of things. So this is the Pulangbato. The public tree is Pulang. And walk to their hanging bridge where you can go nearer to the falls or even go downstairs like this. And we're heading to hot spring for our lunch. Yeah, this is actually hot spring. They said that it is around 37.5 to 39 degrees Celsius, where you can enjoy and have good conversation with your friends. And of course, the trip won't be good if there is no pasalubong from Dumaguete, because this is what my friends are asking for. Sylvanas for everybody. And I only stayed for 1 night and 2 days. And in that time, I am enjoying my stay with my friends because this is just a rare opportunity for me to go out with them because I do not have much time to go out traveling with them because we are of different work. Thank you for watching the video. If you have time, you can also subscribe to this channel for more videos. Bye!